Hi everyone, today we're looking at the brand new Bailey Phoenix 420, which is a 2-berth end washroom caravan. Let's have a quick look around the outside. At the front of the caravan you'll notice the large central window, and although a little sparse with the graphics, the A-frame is coloured black, which gives a nice contrast to the overall look. Moving around to the side and from front to back, we have the freshwater inlet, the heating exhaust, gas locker, and right at the rear is a locker with the access to the toilet cassette. At the back of the caravan it's a familiar sight, with a smooth roofline, no complex moulding, and this will aid with cleaning and water runoff when in storage. And finally, on this side of the caravan we have a locker at the front, the electric hookup point, fridge vents and split style door. So before we head inside, let's have a look at some of the technical specs of this 2-berth caravan. Weighing in with an MTPLM of 1,139 kilos and an MRO of 1,022 kilograms, it gives a user payload of 117 kilograms. Its total length is 5.56 meters and its total width is 2.212 meters. Right, so the technical specs are done, let's pop inside and check out this 2-berth layout. The interior is well lit from the large front window and shows the colour scheme well. Bailey called the fabric option Brockwell and the finish to the lockers is called Brush Champagne. There are 2 large overhead lockers at the front of the caravan, which are large enough to contain tool items such as bottles or boxes of cereal. The one to the left contains the TV antenna and amplifier, and it's situated next to the radio at the front of the caravan. The front seating area can be used as 2 large single beds or made up into a double. The bed sizes are 6'1" by 2'1" as 2 single beds, or 6'2" by 4'9" as a large double. Above each seat is a small reading light, and the one on the right contains a USB charging point. Moving further back in the caravan we have the kitchen area. The kitchen incorporates a cover over the cooker, and with this cover it negates the need for a pull-up flap as there's plenty of preparation space. The cooker has a 4-gas burner hob with a separate grill and oven. The control panel for the Truma heating and hot water is just behind the sink, along with 2 230-volt outlets. On the opposite side is the fridge, a small worktop and the TV antenna outlet. A 12-volt and mains outlet is also here as well. And finally, above the workspace is the microwave and a small cupboard. Right at the back of the caravan is the washroom. It contains a fully lined granite stone shower cubicle on the right, complete with its own skylight, 12-volt LED and Eco Camel shower head. On the opposite side there is the Thetford cassette toilet, above which is the wardrobe. In between the toilet and the shower is the wash basin, a small cupboard and vanity mirror. So there we go guys, I hope you found this review of the Bailey Phoenix 420 useful. If you've got any comments or questions, feel free to put them down below. If you want to have a look and for more information, well, I've put a link to the Bailey website down in the description. Pop over there and have a look at the full specifications. We'll see you next week. Thanks for watching. Bye bye now.